welcome back to our channel. So today is May 21. It's a Saturday and we're on the way sa Clark. Lalagi na lang tayo like mall vlog. Pero ngayon on the way kami doon para shopping. Tapos siya magpapa-ano siya ng hair. So yun. Kasama lang ni Luis si Mommy and then ako. Maiwan na ako. See you guys later. So we're already here and on the way lang kami niyan sa salon para makapag-start na ako sa 7th floor ata day. Doon ako sa Bang Springs. Ito daw yung first trip. Ano po yan?
Oka, ma'am.
Yan po ating bumper.
Kailangan nyo ng pang-hold. Tapos kung wala kayong pang-hold na, mag-lulot lang yung pala nyo tsaka mag-lulot. So, pang second wash ko na yung kanina. Ano na pong gagawin natin? Vlog right. Kinakabahan ako sa outcome, pero feel ko okay naman. Bagay ko.
I thought about you today, and I don't know if I'm okay. I know that something ain't right. These thoughts aren't just in my mind. I think there's something you should know. You drive me crazy.
Tignan yung pagmumukha ko. Pero, I think ito yung, like, for digital firm. I'm having a good time here. Kasi, mababait yung mga staff nila.
I'll just forget all the rest. Look at us, two kids just out of luck. But I think that you're the best of the best.
As you can see, pinlintan na nila yung mga like jams dito sa my hair ko. Pero may stay silang dalawang ganyan. Kasi feel ko hindi pa siya masyadong mainit.
I woke up with this pain in my neck. Had no medicine to keep me in check. You know exactly what to say to keep me wrapped up in your jeans while I'm here choking on regret. Yeah. You got a couple tricks up your sleeve, taking advantage of my low self-esteem. Bank account empty and your message always pending, yet somehow you're still so tempting to me. Girl, you might hit a nicotine in the morning. Even though you're no good for me, I still want it. You drive me crazy, baby, but I adore you. Yeah, you know we got a good connection, but we're headed in the wrong direction. You know we got a good connection, but we're headed in the wrong direction. I lay there with the weight on my chest, one too many heavy thoughts in my head. Yeah, it's just so hard to admit it, and I wish that I could quit it, but I always pick it up again. Girl, you might hit a nicotine in the morning. Even though you're no good for me, I still want it. You drive me crazy, baby, but I adore you. Yeah, you know we got a good connection, but we're headed in the wrong direction. You know we got a good connection, but we're headed in the wrong direction.
Ganito pala siya sa likod. It's so nice. Guys, we're done.
Wrong direction. You know we got a good connection, but we're headed in the wrong direction. Girl, you might hit a nicotine in the morning, even though you're no good for me.
So, nandito kami ni Mami ngayon sa Dairy Queen para umorder ng ice cream or merienda. Yun. Si Luis hindi pa siya tapos, pero ako yun. Kaya nag-iikot-ikot na lang kami hanggang matapos siya. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hindi kaya yan babalik agad?
Hindi. Thank you, Sir Eric.
Bibili daw tayo.
Thank you po. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan, yan yung pagtaas ng hair niya. Kasi gusto niya sa baba lang yung curl. Ayan. Tapos sa akin, ganito. Pakita mo.
Yan. Parang mas more Korean yung sa kanya talaga.
Oo. So, andito kami ngayon sa mall. Yeah, mall na naman, guys. Kasi, magkakaroon kami ng dinner for my birthday. Since it's my birthday ngayon. And then, before kami pumunta doon, magpapa-eyelash lift lang kami nila mama. Hey guys, so andito na kami sa Cafe Josefina.
So, we got, ano to? Pink drink raspberry. So, laking tipid.
Pag tumingin ka, akin na.
Hi guys! Nag-picture-picture lang kami and mag-chill lang kami kasi malapit na din kami umuwi. Whee! Parang yung light. Nasa swing. Paano yung light? Swing. Swing.